Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to have a look at the Spigen liquid crystal case for the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So without any further ado, let's get into the box and see what's in it. So here is a try tab, let's pull it, and simple packaging and nothing else is there, green campaign and all. So let's keep the box aside. So now let's remove the case from the plastic bag. So here is the case, and here is the cleaning instruction mat. If there is any stain on the cases, you can remove it by using this wet wipe, lens cleaning wipe by Zeiss, which is really very nice as it's included. So here is the case, TPU, very flexible case. So now let's put the phone in the case and see how it is. So the case is really a minimalist look and it's not that bulky at all. And here is the cutout for the camera, fingerprint scanner and the heart rate monitor. Over here is the power key, which is really very nice, very tactile. Over here is the mic, and here is the, as you guys can see, the air cushion technology by Spigen branding. Over here is the power key, and here is the Bixby key. Over here is the minimum Spigen branding, I hope you guys can see. And over here is the 3.5mm jack headphone cutout, type C cutout and speaker grills, and one more mic cutout. And that's it, nothing else. It's very simple and plain, and this also shows off your smartphone color, as my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus is in coral blue, which looks really very nice. So that's all.